Class 7, Chapter number 1, 3 Questions, written by Leo Tolstoy. It is an interesting story. The whole story revolves around a king and the suggestions of the answers of his questions he is looking for. As the name of the chapters tells us, is the 3 questions. Actually, the king is looking forward for the answers to the certain questions. Now there are 3 questions. Important thing is why he wants to know the answers of these 3 questions. It is because the king thought that if he get answers to these 3 questions, he will be a successful king or his kingdom will never fail. Now let's see the 3 questions. The first question is, what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? Now, the king sent his messengers all over his kingdom and asked who can answer these questions. Many wise people answer these questions in different manner. The king announced a large sum of money. Different people gave different answers. Let's see the answers of these different questions given by various wise men. They said, prepare a timetable and follow it as it was said, because this is the first thing that we learn in our life to maintain a lifestyle. Important to decide in advance right time for doing something. This is not possible. This is impossible to decide in advance. Council of wise men. Few people suggested this, to have a council of wise men, and then it can be decided for the right time. Few people also suggested that in case of urgent decision, you can call magicians who can look into the future, because no one can prepare themselves in advance when the thing can be done, or you can say in the right time. The king was not at all happy with the answers which he received from the wise men. So, no one was rewarded in this case because different people gave different answers and the king was not at all satisfied. Therefore, the king decided to seek advice of hermit who was known for his wisdom. Children, this is a half chapter. The next chapter I will explain in my next lecture.